Okay, this is going to be the teardown video for an IKEA Fixa drill. It's a pretty small drill. It's the bigger of the two that IKEA offers. It's the one that's actually marketed as a drill and not just a screwdriver. It comes with a nice little case and its own charger, a bunch of different bits and drills, and has forward and reverse, and also has a clutch, which makes it a pretty useful little tool for driving screws and drilling holes. The clutch helps you protect the screw heads and be able to drive them effectively. It even comes with a user manual. Unfortunately, the manual really only tells you how to cut out the battery so that you can throw the thing in the garbage when it wears out. So we'll see what we can do about that in the rebuild video for this drill. For now, we're just going to take it apart. It's just held together with these little Phillips screws with a thread designed for plastic on them. And so you really only need the one screwdriver to take apart the whole drill. Once you got the screws out, you can slice through that sticker on the bottom if you haven't already, and then you've got everything exposed. You can see the trigger switch here, the circuit for charging the batteries, the little forward and reverse knob on top of the trigger switch, and the batteries on the back of that charging circuit. Then we've got a little permanent magnet DC motor, so it doesn't need any brushes. And then we've got the gearbox, which actually has metal gears in it. It was a bit of a surprise to me. I was expecting to see nylon gears or some other type of plastic, but these are metal injection molded, which is basically a metal powder is pushed into a mold and heated up until it basically fuses together. So it's not quite as good as a machined gear, but it's a lot better than plastic, so that's great to see. Yeah, so for now we're going to sort it all out and we'll come back and rebuild it and see what we can do about the battery situation on this drill. Thanks for watching.